What's up, guys? Tommy here from Green Rhino Project with another one. So, this is just a video. Me in the morning, getting set up, opening my van, figuring out what it is I'm going to be doing. And today I'm going to be doing some patio furniture. We've done it before. We actually do 2 sets of patio furniture for this particular winery. We do a lot of work for wineries. And this particular time, we're doing the main house patio furniture. It's like $700 worth of cleaning for us. It'd probably take us about an hour and a half. So if you guys are not picking up, if you're not doing upholstery cleaning, including patio furniture cleaning, I'm not sure why I'm taking this out. We're probably going to need this. Maybe we'll see. Then you should actually, patio furniture cleaning, you should actually add that. And I usually charge by the cushion. Different sizes, different prices. And there's certain wineries that actually use me once a month. And this is $1,000 account. We just did a winery yesterday, patio furniture. It was just under $1,000, and it is every month. It takes us 2.5 hours to do. Guys, so with this business, with any business really, you got to keep your eye on the prize and keep your eye on your goal and what makes you happy. One person's heaven may not be another's. You got to be careful who you listen to and who you follow. And sometimes when you listen to somebody that you may admire and may have helped you get started in whatever you're doing, once you get the ball rolling, that same person can discourage you, because although you have the same industry or whatever you're doing in common, the final goal may be different, and both your goals could go off into other places. So be careful, guys. Just ask yourself what's making you happy. For me, going out working 2.5 hours a day, making $1,000. Actually, my average is probably around 4 hours a day, around 1,000 plus. Now, I do tile also, so I'm just talking carpet cleaning when I'm doing those numbers. When I'm telling you those numbers, I'm talking when it's a tile job and I'm working 4 hours. Best believe I'm making around $2,000. So that's awesome. And for my age, a lot of people say, I don't want to be doing this type of stuff when I'm 50. Well, everybody's 50 is different. My 50 is more like a 40. I'm healthy. My mind's young, and I'm not like that old dog that can't learn new tricks. And I got a passion for helping people. So teaching them how to build a business is one of my passions. Now, guys, I teach you how to clean carpets, and I teach you how to make a great living cleaning carpets. There's a business model to it. There's a technique to it. Not everybody starting their own carpet cleaning business is going to be successful and is going to make the type of money I'm talking about. And some people think that the market may be, the carpet cleaning industry may be getting oversaturated because of people like me telling you can start your own business and you can make great money and you can work for yourself and you can work half the time what you're working at your current job and make 4 or 5 times the amount of money. Because of people like me that have a passion for helping people like me when I was young and hopeless and didn't see no doors, didn't see any avenues where I personally can take, because either my record, my education, or my finances, I didn't see anything. So now that I'm in the situation I'm in now, I like to tell people, you know what, if I could do it, you can do it. So some people might think that the markets or the industry is getting saturated with carpet cleaning. Well, I can tell you one thing: out of every 10 people who start their own business in carpet cleaning or any business, only a fraction of them are going to have enough grit to continue and be successful. You know, so if we're talking 10, probably only 2 people are going to make it at least to where I'm making. And you know what? There's people doing a whole lot more than me, multi-truck organizations, and they're actually you know, somebody I can look toward and say, maybe I want to do that, you know. But for now, I take one step at a time. But for the industry being saturated, there's over 100,000 cities in the United States. 100,000, over 100, I think 108,000 towns in the United States of America. I have 10,000 subscribers on my YouTube channel. I got about 300 students in my Green Rhino Academy that purchased my course and took it. If every one of those students were successful, we're talking 300, and each one of those students in each city were all in a different city or a town. We're talking 300 cities out of 108,000. I don't think that's oversaturating the industry. Do you? Does that math make sense to you? Now, out of those 300 students, probably only 100 are really going to take it seriously and keep pushing. So we're talking 100. So these 100 students are actually getting on Facebook and joining Facebook groups, some of the major ones. I got a Facebook group called the Cleanup, and it's for entrepreneurs and for people that are just starting out, and we're guiding them. You know, we're helping them, you know, answering questions that I had and other people had. It's a great group. It's a support group. And there's other groups out there that are even bigger, right? So you might think, if you're in one of these groups or a bigger group, and you might think that you see all these cleaners out there in there. Man, I don't care if you got 1,000 people, 10,000 people in your group, it still ain't oversaturated, okay? So I'm not going to quit pushing hope, all right? That's my thing, pushing hope. And I know my situation, and at my age, man, I feel blessed doing what I'm doing. As a carpet cleaner, tile cleaner, hardwood floor cleaner, upholstery cleaner. And you know what? This year, my goal is to get another van and have somebody else doing a lot of work for me. And next year, you know, and move on from that. But everybody's got a first step. I started late in life, and everybody's life story is different, right? But luckily for me, you know, I don't think old. You know, like I said, everybody has a different journey. But all right, so let's see here. What I'm gonna do is I'm probably just gonna end this video. You know what I'm gonna do today? After I'm done with that upholstery job, making $700, I'm gonna go right over to do a small commercial job to 600 square feet, and I'm gonna that's a $300 job. So that's gonna be a $1,000 a day. It ain't gonna take me more than 4 hours today, guys. All right, so thank you for watching. If you like this video, let me know below, comment, thumbs up. I hope you watched it all the way through, because when you watch it all the way through, it helps YouTube recommend my stuff. And it's going to be very hard to saturate the carpet cleaning industry. All right? See you in the next one.